Merry Christmas, Sherry! See this? Sherry! Merry Christmas! Ayan, bukasan niya ng regalo ko sa kanya. Oh la la la! Dami! So much! You open, Sherry, because some of that is have sleeve, some is no sleeve. No sleeve. No sleeve. No, they have long like this. Open. No, they have sleeve like this. Yes. No. That is t-shirt. Oh la la, so much. So every day you change your clothes. Yeah, you see? That is the one I tell you. With sleeve. Oh la la, so much. I buy all the supermarket. They have sleeve some of that. Not t-shirt. Why? Because it's like that. When you are shopping, you must buy a lot. So much. So much. No, the other one have sleeve, the other one no sleeve. You see, this one have sleeve. Put there, oh, in the chair, at your back. 10. Oh my God, 10. Woo, so much. Pants. Yes. Jogging pants. Toes over there. Yay! You wear that, Doma. Open it. No, open. Yeah, tomorrow you wear. Merry Christmas, ho ho ho, Sherry. Yeah, it's another one. La. Yeah, but it's different, more bigger. The other one is gray color. That one is a black. No, it's a gray. Yes. Okay, put. Daria! Merry Christmas! Oh la la, put here all. We bring up and I take out the what's that? Put it back. So, yan ang regalo ng Lolo. Merry Christmas!